In this video, you are going to learn how to start the page number from the second page in Microsoft Word. Let's begin the topic. Go to Insert, go to Page Number. If you want the page number in the bottom of the page, go to bottom of the page and select your desired style. Let me select the plain number. You can select it and you can increase the font size from here. But the page number is starting page number 1, but I want it from the page number 2. Now go to header and footer, click on different first page, but the page number has been started from the page number 2, but the begins number is 2, but I want to make it on. So click on over here, go to page number, go to format page number and click on start at and make it 0. And if you select your desired page number from here, let me choose this one and click on OK and click on outside, and you will see the page number has been started from the second page and the begin number is on. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.